Hi, so in this video I'll be driving an electric SUV car from Solar Taxi. Solar Taxi is a company in Ghana that sells and rents out electric cars. You really ought to check them out. In this video we just asked a few questions about electric cars that I'm sure most of you would have on your mind, and I hope it helps. If you've not liked and subscribed to this channel, please do, and hit the bell for notifications. Enjoy the video. So Mohammed, I'm just doing a short video about the car.
Okay.
And the experience driving it. I'm sure you've driven it quite a few times. How is the whole experience to you?
So, the suspension is great, just like any normal SUV.
Yeah.
And the best part of it is it's soundless.
Yeah, I noticed.
Like, you don't hear any revving sound. No.
I know, right?
Yeah, no engine sound. It's silent. So for those who like to sneak out of the house without being noticed,
This is the car that she used,
car
right?
that she used. Yeah, you can just silently pull out and then nobody knows you're gone.
Oh, that's cool.
Electric car. On the dashboard here, it communicates everything to you.
Try and get that shot.
As you can see, there's echo on, which means I'm on the economic mode.
Okay,
it
so
has
that's
a sports mode. So that's the sports mode. So when we get to open space, I'll show you the difference in the speed.
Okay.
When it's on the echo and then when it's on the sports mode.
I'll surely try them out.
Over here on the dashboard, you can see our battery bars there. Yeah. So we've been driving since morning. We've only lost 2 bars of battery.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Since morning?
Since morning.
It's now 4 o'clock.
Yeah, and there is still enough battery. You can still even use it tomorrow without charging.
Amazing.
Yeah.
How big is the battery though?
Well, when the battery is at full charge, you have up to 400 kilometers before it drains out. 400? Yes. So up there, you could see there's 208 with a fuel sign over there.
Okay.
On the dashboard.
Okay.
So which means you have 208 kilometers more to go before you run out of battery. Wow. Now you notice if I switch to sports mode, it changes to 276.
It's using more power.
Because sports mode will use more power than echo. So I'm back to echo.
So is that seamless to change? You can just switch?
Yes, it's just a button and then you get all the power you need.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
so
cool.
Unlike the fuel vehicles that you need combustion to burn before you get the traction, this one, once you hit the pedals,
you're going. Wow.
You just felt it.
Yeah.
So the lithium batteries are producing all the energy it needs to run at all time. Unlike you having it to, if you are using a fuel car,
it has to pick up.
They have to pick up before you get the stuff.
It is instant torque, instant power. Wow, that's very, very good.
Yeah.
So, I mean, a lot of people are really confused about whether to go electric or still remain diesel. How long does it take to charge?
8 hours.
8 hours?
Yes. It has there's a fast charge option for if you are on low battery and then you quickly need to charge to go somewhere. There's a fast charge option that will charge it fully for you within
an hour. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Then I think I'll be using that. Yeah. What do I need to use that? Is it the same?
It's the same. That one has a different charging port, which is
at the front.
Yeah.
Okay.
The hood.
And there's another charging port at the back.
Yeah.
Just like the gas cars.
Yes.
Okay. And I can see when we open the bonnet, you can see the battery within the bonnet.
Yeah, that battery is the one that controls the audio system.
Okay.
Yeah, but the actual batteries that are running the vehicles are underneath.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's not even the real battery.
That's not the real battery.
Oh, I see. With the electric cars, are there any issues that you normally face? Like the way we face so many issues with the conventional cars. What are some of the issues?
These ones are less issues. Basically, if there will be any problem with it, then it has to be maybe normal wear and tear that happens to cars. Maybe problem with the tire. You know, our roads here,
they are not the best.
So basically, those are some of the problems that may come up with it. But with this one, there is low cost on maintenance because you are not changing oil.
Exactly.
You are not
carburetor, so many
because
parts.
There's no fuel.
A whole lot of parts in a normal car, but this one is basically it's like a phone, a big phone.
Yeah, so
just a battery.
And
it's connected to the display. That's
you can see how the speed runs. This is on echo mode.
This is echo.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I'm feeling that drag effect.
Yeah. So it has a lot of torque at all times.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm going to switch to sports,
Okay.
and you will notice the difference.
So we're in sports now.
You feel the drag in this one is greater than the other one.
Wow.
When you have enough open space, you could hit up to 150.
Really?
Yeah. They're already almost 140 now.
The max speed on this is 200, right?
Yeah. So it does a lot. It runs on battery, but it has full power, full acceleration, just like a fuel car.
Yeah. In terms of power, it has all the power you need.
It even has more. Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. How much battery did we use by doing that? Nothing went.
We've been running it since morning.
Amazing.
We've been running it since morning.
Wow. Okay, then talk to me about the dashboard a bit. What are we running on?
This is a normal audio system, but it's multifunctional because you can link it with your phone, whether iOS or Android. You connect it to your phone, and then it works for you like a normal phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It has a navigation system, which is also embedded onto it.
Okay.
Yeah. So it has a media place where you can connect your Bluetooth
and all that.
Stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Radio and everything you need.
Phone calls.
I see.
Everything through here.
Great.
Yeah.
And I can see the ACs.
Everything,
The
just
basics.
like a normal car.
Yeah. And the gear knob.
The gear knob. So no stick, just a knob.
I know. The car is so silent. Like we've been
Very
moving, but
silent, yeah.
there's no engine. Everything is just.
When you turn it on, no engine sound.
Yeah, I noticed.
Driving, no revving sound.
You don't feel that vibration when you turn on a car and it's vibrating and all that. It's all very smooth, very silent. Jamestown. Can I give it a try too?
Yeah, so I'll park here.
Okay, great. Yes. And how much is this going for though?
This one is going for 200,000.
200,000.
Yeah.
Most purchasers should see it more like an investment.
Yes,
You have to try it.
Echo.
Yeah. Okay, no one's coming. Let's try
Okay, let's go.
it. Wow. It doesn't feel electric at all.
At all.
Okay, maybe I don't know the feeling of electric, so I'm now getting the feel of an electric car. Wow, that was very interesting. And I mean, the way the handle is very cool, very smooth.
Yeah. What do you think about the steering?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
It's power steering.
Power steering, everything
Very
is.
smooth.
I mean, I don't know what else you would want in a car. I mean, everything is very, very cool, very normal. Yes, like wait, you said it takes 8 hours to charge. Do you know how much power is required when you charge?
Yeah, that one the engineers would have to tell you that they have done all the calculations on that.
Okay. Okay, I'm on sports mode. I can feel the difference.
You can feel the difference
Yeah.
when you hit the pedal.
You're just
There is
moving,
full
like,
torque.
Yeah.
Full torque at all time.
Wow. I mean, 400 kilometers. That can take me from here to
Kumasi.
even further,
Yeah.
very easily. Why aren't people buying electric cars?
That's the
Or
question.
why is electric car now coming to Ghana? I mean,
That's the question.
because I mean, economically it makes more sense to get an electric
With
car.
this one, you are not bothered whether there is increase in fuel prices or not.
Exactly. All I need is my power, which
That's all.
is quite
It's
stable
just like
in Ghana.
you using your mobile phone.
Yeah,
When you are back from work and you feel like you have low battery, you put it on charge.
that's it. Because I'm assuming that Like, are there any issues, any technical issues that can come up with charging? Maybe
No,
as you're charging, the power surges and all that.
no.
Will
It's
it
just
affect
using
charge?
it's just using the normal 13 amp charger like
Okay.
any other vehicle.
13 amps. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can basically just plug it into the wall
Yeah,
and
that's
you're
it.
charging.
Yeah, but the car also comes with a charging station where you mount in your home or in your garage.
Oh,
So when
okay.
you come, you can monitor everything about the car on that charging system.
Oh, okay. Okay. So with the charging, is it that you need a specific, because the fast charge and the normal charge, do you need different power?
The fast charge has a different charger, and then the regular charge also has a different charger.
Oh, okay, so the
Yeah.
difference is,
They are-
is in the charger,
is in the
not
charger,
in the
yeah.
output.
No, same output.
Okay.
The difference in the charger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
And the steering is very smooth,
very, 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 very smooth.
very light, very smooth. I mean, it's just like a normal car. I'm really impressed, honestly. I've watched so many videos about electric cars and all that, but I mean, driving it myself, I'm really impressed. I mean, if I had to choose between an electric and a normal car, I would surely go for electric. It means you can easily do long distance travel with this, because people have the notion that electric cars are for inner city.
Inner city only, yeah,
But
you can do long
I
distance.
mean, with this, it shows me how much I have to drive.
Yeah,
So I can just easily put a location in Google Map, see the distance, and
Yeah,
I can
sure.
easily calculate how far I can go with it.
sure.
I mean, that makes so much sense.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below. I'm sure the electric car gurus will get in touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay blessed.